Gin is one of my favorite alcohol, and in today's video we are going to create a cocktail which is made out of gin, lime and a very nice fruit which is kiwi. The ingredients are very simple, so we would be using gin which comes at somewhere around $1,000 for this. I think this is around 750 ml, so which is again a very moderately well priced gin. And with that I would be using lime cordial. Together with that I would be needing some amount of sugar syrup. So let's get started with this particular preparation. I have to use this shaker to shake the ice. The first thing that I would be using is I would be pouring the gin. Again, 30 ml should be sufficient. So here is 30 ml of gin which I'm adding to it. Thereafter I would be adding around 15 ml of lemon juice or lime cordial. And then again 15 ml of sugar syrup. 15 ml of sugar syrup is infused and 5 ice cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, the fifth one is it's taking time to come out. Okay, so 5 ice cubes, and yeah, that's all. And we would be using around 1/4 of a standard sized kiwi, just to accentuate the flavor. So that's done, and just a pinch of mint leaves as well, again to accentuate the flavor. Now again the regular thing, if you are watching my video, so you need to know that we should shake this vigorously for 3 minutes so that the ice just infuses the flavor. The water infuses the flavor of the drinks. So getting back to the business. So we are almost done with the shaking. So let me pour the drink. So our drink is all ready. Let us pour the drink. Now we would be topping it up with white wine. Around 30 ml of white wine would do. Here is it, Dindori White from Sula. You can use any of the white wines, but I prefer Dindori White. And this bottle, this is a bit of expensive. It comes in somewhere around 1300 rupees, but you can also use the 890 or 900 one. This particular cocktail, which is Gin Kiwi Punch, is kind of ready. Again, it's a very refreshing drink and something which you can consume when you are coming off from work late evenings. So let me have a sip and say how the taste is. This actually tastes a bit different, and it has saltiness because kiwi is a bit of sweet, salt and sour as well. This kind of happens to taste pretty good. So let me call one of my friend and ask her that whether, again, honest opinion, whether she's liking this drink. So Mahima, could you please help our viewers with the feedback of this particular drink? This is my friend Mahima.
Hi,
she is again
everyone.
a very popular YouTuber, and she has almost close to 80,000 followers, and she creates videos and vlogs basically for women's fashion lifestyle. So you can go ahead and check her blog as well. Her blog name is Mahima Giri, right? Go ahead and check her blogs, and she's there to provide an honest opinion and feedback of how this drink is tasting.
Okay, so let me try. Well done. It tastes really very good. I can even taste the flavor of all the ingredients, including the lemon, kiwi.
Okay.
Everything is perfectly balanced. I
And
feel
is this is as good as one which you go ahead and drink in cafes and restaurant bars?
that's true. Like this is exactly it. I would say that it's far better than them
Okay,
also.
cool.
Like
So, like, if you prepare drinks like this at home, it would be, costing you how much? Like, probably not more than 40 rupees or 50 rupees, because with one bottle of gin, you can probably like make more than 25 drinks. So, 25 drinks with one bottle, so it doesn't cost more than, like 50 bucks with all the ingredients added to it. We would be creating more interesting videos. If you want us to, make more videos as such for cocktails and mocktails, do subscribe to the Single Unicorn. Show us some love. Share this video with your friends and family, and obviously the ones who love preparing drinks or willing to prepare drinks at home,
and don't forget to hit that bell icon.
so that we can send you periodic notifications whenever new videos are live on our channel. That's all for today's video. Hope to see you in another interesting cocktail recipe.
Cheers.